Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest MacBook Pro 13-inch with Retina display, and it's the the edition of late 2013. I just got this one yesterday from Amazon.com, and I paid for it $1,459, $1,460. I have read a lot about it, and I decided to buy it. This is my old one, the 2011 edition, and it's still pretty good, and I love it. But I decided to upgrade and get me a new one, since I'm just too crazy about those electronics, and especially Apple products. Without further ado, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing, and we'll see. There are many video unboxing out there on YouTube, but I decided to do my own. Okay, so what the heck. Okay. Here we go. Alright. That should take care of this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it came shipped with this box from Amazon.com. This is just for extra protection, during the shipping. Okay, yeah, which is good. It's solid boxes, and but when you buy it from Apple Store, you just buy it like this, without this. Anyways, there we go. Get this one over here. Throw this away. As always, Apple products, boxing, and are great materials. They're using great materials, really. I'm a big fan of Apple products, and I will always buy them. I also like the Samsung's products too, but only phones. No laptops, no computers, nothing. Only Apple's, Samsung phones, which is right here. I have a Note 2, Galaxy Note 2, which I bought like a year and a half ago, and I'm planning to upgrade to the Note 4 when it comes out in this coming November. Anyway, take this one out. Look how neat and and fashionable Apple care about their product. That's why it makes them so great. So this is the laptop. Okay. No more CD-ROM, which is we don't use. This one had the CD-ROM, which I have never used it. So Apple decided to get rid of the DVD-ROM, which is a good idea. And what we have here is the electric plugs for the USA. And the charger, also the charger right here with the MagSafe 2, and what else over here? Some documentation, warranties, blah blah, whatever thing, and some cloths to clean the screen. Okay. Anyway. And this is the box. Okay, let's put all these aside, this and that. You know, this is my phone. I need it just in case I get phone call. Razor. So look here. This is the 2011 edition and the newest one. They're both the same screen size, but this is much thinner than that one and much lighter than the old one. Also, like I said, this one has a slot for the CD-ROM. But a few months ago, I upgraded this one and I got rid of the CD-ROM bay, and I put what they call it, an hard drive. So right now I have an SSD hard drive for the OS, and the other extra hard drive is for storage. Okay. Also, I did a boot camp for this laptop, which I could use Windows and I could use Apple Maverick 1009, and I'm planning to do the same thing with this laptop, to do a boot camp, because sometimes I like to use Windows, sometimes I want to switch to Apple. Okay, but like I said, this is thinner. Yeah, this one uses and has a memory for 8 gigabyte. Soldiers to the motherboard, which cannot be upgraded, and the hard drive is 256 giga, which is solid state drive, but it's upgradable. You know, for now they're expensive, but maybe in a couple of years I will upgrade it to 500 giga. You know, giga. So without further ado, so this is my old laptop. It has Windows right now, but I could switch to Mac, you know, but just by restarting, you know, by pressing the option button. Oh no, didn't start, didn't turn off. Okay, let's see, restart. Okay, now when it starts, I have to press the option button and then choose whether I log on to Windows or Maverick, Apple Mavericks 10.9. You'll see it right now. Here we go. Now I'm gonna log on to Apple. Okay, and this is my, like I said, yeah, this is a cloud thing too. Put it away over here. And this is the new Apple. You can see it's very lighter than this one, thinner. I really like it a lot. So I'm gonna start my new app, no? And I have to go through all these process, you know, by choosing the languages and input the names and password, etc., etc., etc. So let's see, United States. Enter. Enter. Why? No, it says I have to press continue. Right, I have to press continue. Yeah, you know. English keyboard. Skip the Wi-Fi for now. Continue. Continue. Do you want transfer information? No, I don't. I agree to the software. I agree again. The name is, of course, Hussein. Hussein. account name, let's call it Al Salahi, just like that one. So password, for now I'm gonna put 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4, optional, no, set, continue. Okay, it's restarting. It's getting ready, setting up. So there we go, it started and it's ready to go. Anyway, that was my unboxing for my MacBook Pro the edition of late 2013. And by the way, this phone, this laptop, I bought it in June of 2011, and I paid $1,550. This one, $1,460, which is, I don't know. I believe this is worth the money. That one was worth the money back then, but you know, for now I'm keeping this one, and this one I'm gonna have it for sale. So if any of you is interested in buying this one right here, it's a very good condition. I take care always my product, you know, my electronics, like my babies, okay? And if any of you watch this video and interested in buying this one, let me know. Contact me on my Facebook or on my YouTube channel, and we'll discuss the price. Actually, the price I'm asking for it is $1,000 for that one. I could go a little bit down, $50 less, $900, the minimum. Other than this, I will just give it to my daughter to play with it, or just hang it right there for souvenirs for me, for memories. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again in more videos. I know I haven't been done videos for a long time, but we'll see. Thank you very much, and have a great day, and enjoy your life. Bye.